Are you grocery shopping with Mommy? Give a wave? Can you give a wave? Can you blow a kiss? Blow a kiss? Can you say Adrian?
Nana.
Nana? Can you say Adrian?
Nana.
Yes, that is you. That is you. That's a turtle. Turtle. Can you say turtle?
Turtle.
Yes, turtle. All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye.